Hello, hello. All right, so I've decided that this is the year of simple, delicious, and super quick recipes. Basically, we're just gonna go back to the roots of this channel. Today, we're gonna bake some oatmeal. Not just any oatmeal, but a chocolate peanut butter protein oatmeal skillet. The macros are great, it's gooey, and I can't wait to make it. So let's just jump right into it. Start this one with a large enough bowl to add all of your ingredients into. Those ingredients: 1 cup of rolled oats, 3 scoops of vanilla or chocolate protein powder, 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 3 ounces of unsweetened milk, 3 ounces of coffee, half a cup of unsweetened applesauce, 6 tablespoons of peanut butter, and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Go ahead and mix those up good, then take out a skillet, pan, or dish and add your mix into it. Smooth out the top it with whatever you want, like some peanut butter chips, and then throw it in the oven on 350 for around 12 minutes. The longer you cook it, the less gooey it will be, so I'll leave that up to you. Once it's done, I personally like to add a peanut butter Greek yogurt frosting to the top, and I'll usually make 2 servings out of it, but you could easily make 4. With that, I don't think there's anything left to say outside of I hope that you guys enjoy it, and if it doesn't fit your macros, hopefully the next recipe will. Drop me a comment, question, or just type your favorite food below to help with the engagement of this channel. Like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a recipe, and of course, stay healthy.